This SF6 leakage monitoring system developed and produced by our company. Model name is NA1000MS, used to monitor SF6 gas leakage 7 times 24 hours. The system consists of two parts. The host model name is NA1000MR. The sensor model name is TGAS1013. The sensor can work independently and relies on our on-site and signal output. The host is responsible for centralized control. It can be connect sensors max to 128. System is mainly used in environments where SF6 leaks are possible. 7 times 24 hours monitoring of SF6 gas leakage. Temperature, humidity, and oxygen concentration can be optional. This is the host. This is the sensor. The host is mainly installed in the central control room. If there any sensor SF6 gas leak detected, the host will give an alarm or start the fan. The sensor is installed near the SF6 gas chamber. SF6 density is higher than air. The GB standard requires the installation height from the ground about 15 cm position. At least one sensor is installed every 2 gas chamber. The measuring range of sensor is 0 to 1500 ppm. Oxygen range is 0% to 25% vol.